Hi, my name is Richard Bowe. I'm an orthopedic surgeon here at Resurgence Orthopedics. I am a hip and knee specialist, and I am originally from DC area and did my fellowship training at University of Pennsylvania. I moved down here to plant some roots with me and my family. I chose orthopedics because I was a biomedical engineering student in undergrad, and we did a lot of new technology and development for orthopedic implants and technologies. I wanted to use that technologies to help better patients' lives and help them recover from injuries. I chose to subspecialize in hip and knees to help patients get back to activities they like doing the most. Oftentimes, hip and knee arthritis or injuries of the hip and knee can really sideline patients, and they aren't able to do the activities, whether they be sports, gardening, walking. So being able to treat their arthritis or injury and get them back to the activities they enjoy is really a highlight to my profession. Within my subspecialty of hip and knee treatments, treatment options range from conservative care, such as medications, injections, therapy, but then also range to surgical options, which can include minimally invasive hip replacements, partial knee replacements, and computer-assisted joint replacements as well. I practice at the Vinings, Austell, and Douglasville locations. If you'd like to make an appointment with me or anyone else at Resurgence Orthopedics, please call or visit resurgence.com.